guys got a clamp?
A what?
I saw a clamp here very old, but it works. Old.
What is that? A clamp?
Yeah, it's a clamp that goes around here so I can put this backwash line on. You need to backwash this like once a month, at least. Yes.
Has it not been used?
Apparently not. They might have backwash straight right here, and you let the rocks run down. But you would have seen a lot of gray sediment all right here.
No, we haven't seen anything.
And they put a valve on here, so I'm curious if it leaks, which it does, which means this multi-port is bad. The backwash line shouldn't leak. That's definitely a reason to put a valve on the backwash line, though. I guess don't fix the issue, just stop the leak, huh?
Unfortunately.
Yeah, it's all good.
The unfortunate part is they're trying to blame me on for all this stuff
Nah,
that's
they
broken.
definitely been screwing these people probably for years.
Ah.
That's probably exactly what's been going on. They've been slow stroking them for years.
That would make sense.
Right. Yeah, this nut is seized up too. Like you can, this part is supposed to twist off. It's all good. It'll work. Like everything right here is just like whatever they had was just like good enough. Sometimes it's all you need. Sometimes you need a little more. All right, I'm gonna let out some water right here, so you might want to wash your feet.
Yeah, it's fine. Just move this thing. Do I put this over here? Is that okay?
This multi-port is done. It needs to be replaced. No, I don't.
It's okay. We're not gonna change it.
I know. I'm just curious. I'm just curious if I had one or not.
So the multi-port is bad. It has some leaks, and
It was already water in the backwash line. That's what I'm saying. Like, so that usually would tell you that that backwash line is leaking while it's filtering. That backwash line is supposed to be only open when it's actually backwashing. If it's seeping through, that means the windows on the inside of the multi-port have worn out and it's gradually gone bad. It happens with those. It is what it is.
but this is something that happens with wear and tear over time. It's not something that I did by swimming in the pool.
No. I mean, unless you sent like a whole bunch of glass showers with a skimmer, I'm not really saying a reason that
Yeah.
you can burst the grid.
Oh, yeah.
That's about the only way, to purposely burst the grid. To send glass to a skimmer.
Wow.
Hey,
What is that?
those are grids. Oh, they're getting chlorine. That's for sure.
It smells.
That's chlorine. Or tangy. Okay, so I'm already seeing like fabric that's like dry rotted, flaking off of it. That's definitely a sign of oldness. You don't have your standpipe.
What?
There's a standpipe. It's 5.5 inch piece of 1.5 inch PVC that sits right on top of here that keeps this seated properly while it's operating. Otherwise, the pressure as it comes through can slowly rise it. It's a little shimmy, but it definitely rises. O-rings busted. They haven't took this off for a while.
Oh, careful.
Definitely dry rotted. O-ring. Like they could have put some Teflon tape or anything on here. 32-cent fix, and they just had it sitting like this. I have an O-ring, so I ain't know about that. I'll grab one.
Thank you.
I'm gonna take these grids out. I'm going to wash them, but they're already on wrong. Keep in mind, each one of these slots on these fins, a grid sits inside this slot.
Inside,
Yeah.
not on the side of it.
They definitely have them pushed out right now. So whoever put that back together didn't know what they were doing. Probably had their helper do it. That's,
These are supposed to go in this slot here, and they're outside. Okay, I get it.
Oh, so I'm gonna take it apart and put it back together after I clean them. You mind if I borrow that hose for a while?
Not a problem.
Do you have a nozzle? If you don't, I have one in the truck.
Nozzle? What is a nozzle?
The little one that screws on. The little gun that screws on.
Gun. Okay. Oh.
Sprayer, anything.
Okay, that was okay. Let me see if I get.
There's the one right here.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is a nozzle.
Yeah.
Tito, esto es nozzle. I'm sorry. Language.
I said, nah, I understand you.
We forget. I forget sometimes what certain things are. The more technical, it's harder to remember.
Thank you. Yeah. No, good. I will bring another.
Slows it down at least. Wait for a second while I go grab a piece of PVC because I can't put that back together without a standpipe.
Okay. And the ring thing.
Yes, the overhang.
Thank you. Ugh.